to combine two images together with AI on Gemini Banana. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store and search Google Gemini. Make sure your Google Gemini is updated to the latest version. After that, open the app. Here, click on Create Image. Then, click on the plus button at the bottom left. Press on Gallery. Now, simply select the photos you want to combine. I'm simply selecting this picture and then this picture. Press on Add, and I've simply typed in combine these two characters together, make them hold hands and send it. After that, it will combine two images together in some minute. It will take some time to load. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to combine two images together with AI on Gemini Banana. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.